Anti-Duterte ho ba kayo?
Well, actually, no, it's not being anti or pro or what. It's about the issues that's being told to you. It's not about the personality. No. Kung minsan may mga bagay na lumalabas na maaring itong taong ito nagsabi, pero maski kaibigan mo siya, kung yun namang issue na yun ay talagang labag sa kalooban mo, talagang tatayuan mo yan. Hindi ka doon.
Meron ho ba kayong issue na tinindigan
Well,
laban kay Pangulong Duterte?
Sa ngayon, for one, I'm pro-life eh. I'm not pro-death, yung mga patay-patay. Ever since I've been pro-life, ever since I've lost my child, my eldest daughter, I've lost my mom. So for me, life is precious. Kung salbahe ka, pabayaan mo mabulok ko sa kulungan. You suffer there. No? Sa bagay, may kanya-kanya tayong pananaw at nirespeto ko po yun. Importante naman dito respetuhan eh.
Meron na ho ba kayong issue na tinindigan laban kay Pangulong Marcos naman?
Laban kay Pangulong Marcos, well, during his time, wala naman so far. Wala naman.